In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an annual report design using Canva. Designing an annual report might seem like a daunting task, but with Canva, it's much easier than you'd expect. Let's walk through the process of creating a compelling and professional annual report using this versatile online tool. First things first, log into your Canva account. This is your creative hub for all things design. Once you're there, look at the top of your screen and you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on it. In the search bar, type Annual Report Template. This action will bring up a wealth of templates specifically designed for annual reports. Canva's templates are a fantastic starting point because they are professionally designed and can save you a considerable amount of time compared to creating a layout from scratch. As you scroll through the options, take some time to consider what style and layout best represent your organization's brand and message. Does a clean and modern look suit your needs, or perhaps something more bold and colorful? Once you've found a template that feels just right for your project, click on it to select it. With your template chosen, the next step is to click on Customize this template. This is where the real magic happens. Customizing allows you to infuse your personal touch and tailor the design to reflect your specific content. You can start by editing the text components. Click on the text boxes to input your report's essential information. It's recommended to keep text concise yet descriptive enough to communicate the key points clearly. Depending on your organization's style guide, you might also want to play around with different font styles and colors. Consistency is critical, so try to match these elements to your existing brand guidelines to make the report look cohesive. The next area to focus on is adding and adjusting visual elements. Canva provides a vast library of images, icons, and other pictorial options to choose from. If you have your own photography or graphics, you can upload these directly into your design to ensure it stands out and remains unique to your organization. Be sure to place images strategically to complement the text without overwhelming it. This balance helps in maintaining readability and viewer engagement. Lastly, before finalizing your report, it's a good idea to review everything. Double-check for any spelling errors, ensure all data is accurate, and that your layout is well-balanced. After reviewing, you're ready to share or download your newly created annual report. Whether you're printing this report, emailing it, or presenting it digitally, Canva makes exporting your design easy. And there you have it. Creating an annual report with Canva is not only intuitive, but also allows for ample creativity. With these steps, you're well equipped to design a report that doesn't just provide information, but does so in a visually appealing manner. Thank you for watching and happy designing.